We'll be back, man. That's my cut. We'll be back though. All right, y'all. This is my knife. Yes. Well, it ain't really mine. But it was mine. I gave it to my wife. And I just bought this Google Nest Hub.
Term is a shank.
Shank, knife, whatever. My shank. All right. You happy?
I mean, whatever. Floats your boat.
Anyways, my Google used to be Google Home Hub, now called Google Nest Hub. I just got. I'm about to just unbox it, and you know, I'm gonna check it out or whatever a little later, make another video about it, about how, you know, how things work, what you could do, and blah blah blah. It was on sale. It was at, I think, like $142 or something like that, and now it was on sale for like $89. So I said I'm gonna go in and buy it because I've been wanting to buy one for the longest. And I just painted my kitchen. But me and my wife and my kids just painted our kitchen and our nook. So this will go great right up in here. So let me unbox it for you. Well, I don't know if I can do it with one hand. So what I'm gonna do is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to do it. If I can't, then I'm gonna pause it and unbox it, open it up, or, you know, halfway open it up, and then let y'all see the rest. Man, come on, man. My bad, man. I'm holding the camera myself. I'm not ready. I don't have a good camera or a tripod right now, but I will be getting one real soon. So I won't have to do this. But yeah, set that down. Come on, dog. Got the plastic off. Throw that out the way. See, boom, throw it over there. Who cares? I'll get it up in a minute. Flip this over. Do we got anything, tabs or something that I gotta cut? Nope, don't look like it. Help at a glance. Command your day. Play your favorite songs. Simplify your smart home. Relive your memories. My bad. Answers for any moment. Okay. Make hands-free call. I ain't got no video. See, there's no camera on here though, so I can't make video calls. Unfortunately, there's no camera. But it's cool, man. The one with the camera costs way more than this, so I didn't want to spend that money. I don't spend a lot of money. I don't know what y'all do, but I don't spend a lot of money. And hey Google, let me see. You got the Google Calendars, Google Maps, Nest, YouTube, Google YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Photos, Google Assistant. All right. I'll just leave that in the background like that. And here it is right here. The Google Nest Home. Hands-free, help at home. Right here. Let me just stand it up. That's how I look. I know some stuff up under here. Let's see what's in the box. What else is in the box? Got your let's get started. I don't need all that. I know how to do this stuff just automatically. What's over in here? Don't look like nothing elaborate. Definitely some in here. Let's open it up and see. Hold on. Hey, what the heck y'all put on this? Ain't Google and this? Okay, I got it. I'm just playing. All right.
I don't understand.
Look at this. This is all gonna be talking to me. I ain't talking to you. All right. This is the charging adapter. It runs by no USB-C or anything like that. It has the regular little plug-in. I got them all over my house. Oh, I got the Google Okay. Again, I got Google Homes all over my house. My video just cut off on me. You know, you can only do like 10 minutes or something, 5-10 minutes. 4K. So yeah, I'm gonna plug this up. Let me pause it. I'm gonna plug it up and let y'all see everything. All right, this is how it looks. Oh, I guess I better take the plastic off the screen somehow. All right, let's see. Maybe I need to put this thing down and do it. There we go. I think. Hold on a second. Okay, now we're cooking. Let me see. I already got the app. I guess I have to wait. All right. Well, I'm going to put it together, man, and show y'all later. All right. Peace out.